To design an animated Instagram reel in Canva, start by going to the Elements tab and selecting Frames. Navigate to the Film and Photo category. Find and select a film texture overlay frame. Duplicate this frame 3 times. Then, drop your images into each of the frames. Select all the frames together and group them. Increase the size of the grouped object and position it at the top of your canvas. To animate it, click Animate and then create an animation. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the object from the top of the canvas to the bottom. In the Movement Style options, choose Steady and then click Done. Next, go back to the Elements tab and search for Film Overlay. Choose a vertical video overlay from the results and drag it onto your timeline. Place it on top of your other layers. Increase the size of the overlay to cover the entire page. Then, adjust its transparency to around 40%. Your professional, animated Instagram reel design is now complete.